Nope. So today I'm going to once this thing right here we go. Right. Today I'm going to show you how to create a vase. Now you can use any of these planes, but preferably use XY. So let's go to here, create line. Now make this about 20 at 90 degrees. Now I like quite abstract vases, if you like. Well, just objects. So right, you want this to be about 16 because this bit here will be the inside. Sorry, I'm just going to move the mic a bit. This here will be the inside of the of the vase. So you want that to be about 32 millimeters. So about well, it'll be 3.2 centimeters in diameter. So as you can see, it's nice and big. Now, so this bit's where you'll put the water in. So this will go out about that long. Yeah, about that. So now you want to make this straight up, and I'll probably make that about 50. And that's wonky. One idiot. Right. So let's create line 50 tab 90. There we go. So that's what we have at the minute. So this will be our base down here. Then here we've got the bottom of the inside. Here we have, oh yeah, this is for a round vase, by the way. And here we have the wall, if you like, of the inside of the vase. So let's crack on. Here you might want to just make it a wee bit straight, it's up to you. I'll probably make that 5. Now this is where you can get creative. So I might just do, I don't know, 13 and tab 45. I don't know, maybe. Crap, that's the wrong way. What an idiot. I'm in 135. So gotta keep in mind what I did. I think it was 13 tab 135. Really? Come on. Stop it. Let's just do it freehand. So let's just make it about, I don't know, let's make that 10. Just make it tab 40. There we go. So now always constantly think what this is going to look like in your head, because it's just a good reference to how it's, if you're going to be pleased with it, or if you're just going to fail and say, you know what, I like it. So it's always good to just to come on. So yeah, as I say, it's always good to get a nice thing on it. Get a nice idea and get some good stuff and reviews and that on it. So let's do that as 40. Tab 50. There we go. Now I quite like either a base that comes in like this or a base that goes out like that. I don't like a flat base like that, so I'm gonna go tab, so make that 105. and then just press OK. No, OK, don't bother. Okay, so now we'll close that up. Now when you finish the sketch, oh sorry, I keep doing that. It looks pretty good apart from the fact that it's got the, oh sorry, wrong way around. Apart from it's got all these dimensions, which if you do it freehand you won't get these dimensions, or I think there's something where you can turn them off, but I've not found that out yet. Right, so now you want to go to this tool called Revolve, and this window should pull up. So what you want to do is just minimize this, shove it to the side, and use this little doohickey. So if you notice, the whole thing's been selected, and every time I go over a line it highlights itself red. This is because you're now choosing, as you can see by it saying select axis, you're now selecting the axis point for your design, your vase. So say I did it here, which I'm not going to because it wouldn't work anyway, but let's just say here for example, if I do that, as you can see it's done that. So you just want to cancel that, create revolve, and this is going to be our axis. Let's just press OK for that. Oh. Now I'm going to go to front. This is the look of our vase, which I quite like actually. So as you can see, it's quite nice. Let's modify it. Now this is to put, as you can see, curves on it. Now you can chamfer stuff, so like that's a flat edge, fillet is a curved edge. So let's get the fillet tool, and once again you get this window up, minimize. This little tool is your key. Now as you can see here, we have the length, oh sorry, the measurement at which it will curve your corner. So if I just press OK, there we go. As you can see, it's gone from that being a coarse corner to being a nice smooth corner. You can do this with insides as well, so let's get it again. Let's do that. As you can see, it's just smoothed off this bit here, and now instead of being the one line, it's now a fillet. So, and it's two lines. So now you can, if you want, I like doing this, but you can just go over all your things and just fillet them all just to make it look quite nice. So as you can see, yeah, it's pretty nice. Right, one thing I do like is having a shallow bottom. Now that's not going to work, so that's quite bad, but yeah, that's one thing I do like, is having a shallow bottom in my vases. So like, actually I can just sketch that. Oh. And I'll just shove a circle in there. Create a circle. So you just want to go center point, and I'll probably take it out to over there. And then just finish 2D sketch. And then I'll just extrude that up. So you just go to here, extrude, direction 2, and I'll probably just put 5 maybe. Will that work? No, 2.5. There we go. So as you can see, I've now got this little indent. So now I can go to fillet again and just fillet the insides, just like that. So as you can see, it's made a nice little base. I'm actually quite happy with that. So now if you, oh that was my arm, sorry. If you want, you can make it different colours and different materials and stuff. I quite like well, this is the plastic I normally use, ABS plastic. One thing that is good is this glass. It's really cool. It's pretty much, you can just see right through it and you get that nice glisten. Gold, I've not actually tried, but that looked kind of bronze more than gold. As you can see, it's quite an orangey sort of colour. But actually, is there? No, there's no more options though. Oh yeah, there is. Ah, here we go. That's a gold colour. Oh, actually, it's more brass, but I like that. Let's find olive green. It's not exactly gold, but okay. Anyways, yeah, so you get the hint. Personally though, I do like stainless steel, and if I can find, ooh, foil gold, what's that? That's not that great. Yeah, so this is just it in different things, so I've just shoved it back to default. A wee bit of lag there, but anyways, yeah, so that is the vase. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching. Goodbye.